If Pinterest feels overwhelming, I want to gently say this. It's probably not Pinterest. Hi, I'm Jen. I help service providers simplify their marketing so it actually fits their life. And Pinterest usually only feels hard when we're unclear, not when the platform is complicated. So let's dive in a little bit. Pinterest becomes overwhelming when you don't know what your main message is, when you're posting too many different types of content, and when you're trying to follow every single tip you hear. And Pinterest is the worst offender for this because you could listen to education that even I have put out last year and it may not be current, right? Pinterest changes all the time. And whenever you hear something very specific, like need to do this 3 times, or you need to do 6 of these, or you need to do any of those types of numbers, that's not actually accurate. We can say it's about, let's say, 3 to 5 pins when you create a blog because you want different pins with different topics within that blog. But the fact is that your account will need what your account will need. So start first with being really focused in on exactly what you're doing. The platform isn't asking for more, it's asking for clarity. So Pinterest works best when you solve one clear problem for one clear person in a relatable way. That's it. That's literally the secret to Pinterest. No trends, no constant pivoting. If Pinterest feels heavy, it usually is a sign that your strategy needs narrowing or niching down a bit, not expanding. Overwhelm isn't a motivation problem, it's a decision problem. If you want help build a marketing plan that actually feels doable, Creative Marketing Summit 2026 walks through visibility platforms like Pinterest and simple systems that don't require daily posting. You can join for free at creativemarketingsummit.com. And thanks for hanging out with me today. You crushed it just by showing up for your business. Pick one of these 2 videos next to keep growing your biz the easy way, and I'll see you next week.